another thing. You can't say that church is boring. You can't say that the Bible is boring. Tell me how exciting brushing your teeth is. I had an exciting time in the bathroom today, brushing my teeth. No, if you don't brush, your breath stinks. Nobody wants to talk with a stinker. Church can't be boring. It refreshes. We hear God's word and God's word cleanses. Church can't be boring. I don't know if you've ever, no, I will not say that. But yeah, church can't be boring. Reading the Bible can't be boring. I don't know when is the last time you got so bored of taking breath. Like, I'm not breathing today. I'm bored. And they're saying, breathe, Penina, breathe. And you're like, no. I don't want to breathe, I'm bored. If you get bored of breathing, guess what happens to you? You die. And if you die and you had an attitude about God, guess where you go? It's not an interesting place. There's weeping and gnashing of teeth. Yeah, so all I'm saying is respect God. Honor Him in your youth, in your days of being young. Don't separate, I'm young, therefore I don't worship God like the old people. There's no soul for an old person. There's no soul for a young person. Old people don't breathe one particle of hydrogen. It's still H2O. Not for older people, 2H1O. Nah. So yeah, it's life. Live it according to God's law, the way that He wants it, and all will be well with you. Why am I telling you this? No apparent reason.